The scientific name for bats is Chiroptera, which is Greek for hand wing. That's because bats have 4 long fingers and a thumb, each connected to the next by a thin layer of skin. Some bats hibernate in caves through the cold winter months. Bats swimming in water. Bats are active at night. Upon leaving their roost, bats fly to a stream, pond, or lake where they dip their lower jaw into the water while still in flight and take a drink. Baby bats are called pups. After drinking, bats forage for insects. Bats can live more than 30 years and can fly at speeds of 60 miles per hour or more. Most bats feed on flying insect. Bats drink water and blood. The bats drink their victim's blood for about 30 minutes. Bats can eat up to 1,200 mosquitoes an hour. Bats can find their food in total darkness. Bats are very smart. These flying mammals are quite intelligent and have a good memory.